Hello people, welcome back to Teamworks Design Creatives, and today I want to show you how you can make your taskbar transparent. Right away, go to your browser and search for Chris Andresen taskbar. Search for Chris Andresen taskbar. Click on that link and it will take you to the home page for Chris Andresen. So here you are required to go to your software. We have home, we have examples, and then we have software. On software, click on Taskbar X. If you click on Taskbar X, this is the page that will pop up. So you can see here Taskbar X gives you control over the position of your taskbar icons. So we want to change either the position or the appearance of our taskbar icon. So here I want basically I want my taskbar to be transparent. I don't want to see this opaque background here. I want to see a transparent background. So to do that, you will be required to go to downloads. And on downloads, you will be required to come here and you click on portable zip x64. So that's the one that we want to download. That's the link that we want to download on the taskbar, and that is the taskbar X. So we wait for a moment to have it download, then we can open the file. If you open the file, you will be required to extract all. You can decide to browse where you will extract it to. So let me extract all. After the extraction, this is what will pop up. This window is what will pop up. You will be required to come to this application here. There's the logo is there, and this is what you will click. When you click on that one, it will take you straight to where you are supposed to do your changes, or where you're supposed to make your taskbar transparent. So let's see what it gives us. After you click on the application, it will take you to this window here. In this window, we have the style, we have the animation. You can create animation on your taskbar. You can also change the position of icons in your taskbar. You can do create a startup for your taskbar, or you can do extra things, and so on and so forth. But today we want to check on the style. We want to see if it is possible to change the background of our taskbar icons. So if I want a transparent icon or a transparent background, if I want a transparent background, I'll come here and click on apply. When I click on apply, you will see that the background has changed. And you can see through the background. If I want a transparent gradient, I'll click on transparent gradient and click on apply, and a transparent gradient will appear down below. If I want an opaque background, I'll click on an opaque background, and the opaque background will just automatically appear, and I won't be able to see the background. If for example I want a blurred background, I'll click on apply, and a blurred background will be appearing. So it is something that is so nice. You can apply. If you want acrylic or kind of flicker background, that's the one. You can change to that one. So For our case, we wanted to change to a transparent background, and that's what we wanted. And you can see when I close all these after clicking on apply, if I close all these applications, I'll be able to see through my background taskbar. So my taskbar has a transparent background, and that's the choice that I do have. So today I wanted to take you through that simple procedure to help you change or make your taskbar transparent. So thank you so much for that view, and please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. And thank you so much. Until I drop another video, that's when you'll see me again. Thank you and have a good time. See ya.